I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will discuss about a specific error that sometimes may happen when we create a bucket, S3 bucket. And this situation is happened to me when I was working in a very time-bound project. So it took some time to resolve this problem because since it was a very pressure situations, I could not able to figure out it very easily. So I thought that it may be like good to share with everybody. Okay. So consider a scenario where like we are creating a S3 bucket in a region name called AP South 1. Okay. Then let me comment this. So we have created a region. Then I'm going to create a bucket here. The same old code that we used to create the S3 bucket. Okay. So my bucket name is my error and I'm going to create this bucket. Okay. So let's run the code here. Python. Okay. S3 bucket. S3 create bucket error.py. So let me try to run this code. Okay. So this is the error that we are getting. Okay, so the error is botocore.exception client error. An error occurred illegal location constraint exception when calling the create bucket operation. The unspecified location constraint is incompatible for a region specific endpoint this request was sent to. Okay, so here we have mentioned the region. When we create the client, we have mentioned the region, but when we do the create bucket, we didn't mention any region here. Okay. So what we can do, we can mention the region here also. We can say create bucket configuration. Create bucket configuration. We can mention the location. Okay. So I have done the code modification. Now let me run this. Okay. Now still I am getting the same exception. Okay. US East 2 location constraint is incompatible with the. Okay. So here I have mentioned the location as US East 2. Now let me change that to AP South 1. So I have modified it. Now let me run this. Let me clear this first. Let me run this. Okay, done. So this is successfully completed. So we have to ensure that the client that we have created, the boto client that we have created, also the location that we are going to create the bucket should be in the same region. Okay. So otherwise, like we will get this kind of a error. Okay. So that's all in this video. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.